Welcome to the channel, guys. It's been a while that I've been busy a little bit, so I'm trying to keep you guys updated on the builds, where we are and what we are currently doing. All right, so if this is your first time, I'm gonna say please do subscribe to the channel. Name is gonna be Michael. All right, so we are on the window, and I'm gonna say window and those doors, the front door, the back door. These doors and windows cost a lot. It really did cost a lot. We wanted to buy everything made in Ghana, built in Ghana, so we tried getting everything in Ghana. Because then it really doesn't make sense. You trying to ship things from here, because the shipping and all of that, and then the amount that you buy here, you know, it was pretty much costly. So I decided to buy everything in Ghana. And these doors were beautiful doors, great doors. The security component of it is best compared to the ones down here in the United States or in the US. I will say they are coming from Turkey or maybe China, but the company that we did use, they are coming from Turkey. You do have some Israeli doors there too. So, but these doors really cost a lot, because what they do is they sell it in dollars, and so whatever the dollar is, that's how much you're going to be paying in down there, and that is like equivalent to the cities. You convert that, and that gets a little steep. So yes, doors was being installed, windows being installed, all that going on too. We were doing work up on the deck, up the third floor. We were still getting things covered. The transition just doesn't happen overnight. You got to get things in place. You really got to get the house in place, because time and time I do watch these diasporans, people that are from here, that try to go live in Ghana or stay in Ghana and then pay for rent. And that was the thing that I'm like, wait, the amount that Ghana do charge for rent, and these rents that they charging, they charging you equivalent to the dollar. That's how much they do charge down there. So we were like, we're not gonna do that. We would rather build and finish with the build, and then we will move down there. And when you even done with the build, it doesn't end there. You gotta have residual income. That is time and time. That is the thing that we find ourselves asking ourselves, how are we gonna sustain the lifestyle that we have here and then bring it down there in Ghana? Don't get it wrong, Ghana is expensive. Ghana, Accra, it's expensive. Believe me or not, Ghana is expensive. So you gotta get your A game on to make sure that you do have something bringing in cash. If not, you're gonna be found wanted. Like, you're gonna come back and say, we tried it, we couldn't, let's go come do 9 to 5 again in the US. So we planning, and the planning, you're never gonna have everything 100%, but at least you're gonna have 98 or 70% or 90% at least. So when house is done, then you're gonna find a business that is gonna bring in everyday cash flow, and then everyday cash flow that will sustain our livelihood, our lifestyle in Ghana. So these are the kind of things that we always ponder upon when the transition to Ghana. Guys, I love Ghana so much. If you guys don't even know my background, I'm originally from Ghana, but my wife is not. She also loved Ghana. She felt like we are in love with Ghana. I'm gonna have a new video regards to why we're moving to Ghana. And so guys, if this is your first time, I'm gonna say please do subscribe to the channel. We're growing this channel. We're growing it, showing what it takes to be in US and what it takes also to be in Ghana. So guys, this is your first time, again, do subscribe to the channel. Doors are being installed, windows being done, burglar proof already being installed, everything moving like smooth as you want it. And the last thing that I'm going to tell you guys, I'm begging you guys, if you guys gonna build in Ghana from a first standpoint, you gotta be in Ghana, please. If not, you're gonna spend so much. You're gonna spend so much that you will either gonna say, I give up. And that was the thing that I didn't want to do. So all that 2.5 months that I stayed in Ghana, I made sure that everything was done. Everything was being completed on time. So this segment is going to be window doors installation. We keep going. We keep grinding. We keep getting it. Name again, Michael. And please do subscribe. Peace out.